Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at a case that I really enjoy, and this year, something about this case, even though it's always been one of my top 10 cases for any of my devices, but this year for the S25 Ultra, it is really good. And it's actually been one of my absolute favorite cases to use. And today we're talking about the Dbrand grip for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, huge shout out to Dbrand for sending this over to me to review for you guys. The price on this case is $54.90, but it comes with a skin. Now that's for a classic skin. If you want a premium skin, it's gonna be $59.90. So $5 difference depending on which skin you decide to get. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. So starting off with the front, here we go. You just kind of get the classic Dbrand packaging, Dbrand grip. It's for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is going to be that MagSafe version. Now, when you open it up, or actually on the back, there's really nothing there. Now, when you open it up, here we go. We're greeted, it says purchase, deliver, install, and you can look at how to install your skins at dbrand.com/how. And then here we go. Here we have the Dbrand grip. So right here, we're gonna get our case. And then in here, Dbrand was cool enough to throw in a few skins for me. So we'll just take a look at those real quick. Now, I decided not to install the skins on my phone. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'll probably still end up installing one of these later on. But I just wanted to show you guys what the whole case looks like without one of these skins in case you've never seen or used the Dbrand grip before. But here we have the glow circuit. So this one is actually going to glow in the dark. So that's really cool. Then we have the short circuit. It's just like a reddish orange version of that. And then we have the dark circuit, which is a black version of that same skin. So all three of these are going to be the premium skins. This one has been one of my favorites because I like that it glows in the dark, but I really love a black and red combo, and because the case is black and my phone is black, this is actually probably the skin that I'm gonna install on my grip eventually. So anyways, that's kind of what you get here. Let's go ahead and clean that up. So starting off with the case itself. Now on the back, it's gonna have this plastic material here, and you're gonna get this really nice TPU material that goes all the way around the case. So like I said, that back is the plasticky material. You're gonna get your grip logo right here, as well as individual cutouts for your cameras and your flashes and things like that. Now the back of this case is going to get some scratching here. So that's definitely something to take a look at. In case that bothers you, you may want to put one of those skins on here. But even with the scratching, this case is totally worth it. Like I said, just throw a skin on there and you can always rechange these different cases. Now the Dbrand grip is probably going to be the most customizable case that you can get for the S25 Ultra because of all the skins. You can really go out and buy a few of the different skins. If you want, put one on, and then when you get sick of it, you peel it off and stick on a different one. Now, they're not gonna be reusable, unfortunately, but they're not really that expensive. So if you wanna pick up a few of them, you can, and you can really customize your phone case to look different than anyone else's. So I really like that about this case. So there we go. Here is about the case itself. Now, going on the inside, you're gonna get this nice like foam material right here. Of course, you get your MagSafe and alignment magnets there, and that TPU material that goes all the way around the inside of the case. Now, this thing is going to give you some pretty good drop protection because of the corners and just the construction of the case. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper. We'll see how much this thing weighs, and we'll see how thick it is. So 50 grams is the weight of it, and then bringing over our caliper from front to back, we're looking at 12.4 millimeters, and then from inside to outside, we're looking at 3 millimeters. So it's a little bit on the thicker side. It's a little bit on the heavier side than some other cases. But this thing really does not feel too thick, especially because, let's actually go up close here and move this. So if you guys can see, it has a slightly like bowed construction. It's not completely straight there. It's a little bit bowed. Well, the reason for that is so it feels thinner over here and you have easy access to swiping on your screen, but you get all the protection where it counts. So let's actually go ahead and bring over our jet black titanium S25 Ultra. We'll put it in here and let's listen out for that click. Solid click onto the phone itself. This thing is going to have an incredible fit on here. Let's take a look at that. So starting off with the sides, here we go. I mean, you're getting basically zero give. You have to give it a good amount of force in order to get this thing to move around. Looking at those corners, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4 corners are going to have a very nice tight fit. It's a great tight fit all the way around this case. You're really going to have no problems with the way that this thing fits. It takes a little bit of force, a little bit of elbow grease, so to speak, to take the case off. But I really like that because it's not too difficult to take off, but it's not very easy to take off by any means to where it will fly off if you drop this thing. I have zero concerns about this falling and coming out of the grip if you were to drop your phone in the Dbrand grip. So definitely an excellent fit on here. Let's take a look around the sides of it. So starting off at the top, you do have just your microphone hole open. Now the entire case around the sides is gonna have this really nice like micro dot texture. So you can't really see them, but it's very textured all the way around the entire case. So this is gonna give you the ultimate grip. That's why they call it the Dbrand grip. This thing is going to probably be the grippiest phone case that you can get. And that's also because these, number one, these little micro dots, but number two, because of the grip spike. So let's take a look at the left-hand side. It is completely closed in, and you're gonna get these grip strips right here that are also going to be like rubberized. And I mean, this thing, you can have oil, grease, like whatever you want on your hands, and this case will not slip out of your hands. This is super grippy. Now that's also gonna mean that it's gonna grip your pocket a little bit. So when you put this in and out of your pants, it may peel out your pocket a little bit. It might take out a little bit of pocket lint, but it's worth it if you need something that's grippy, you want the customization, and just an all-around really good phone case. I definitely say it's worth it, and I'm getting ahead of myself. That's at the end of the video where I talk about that. So that's the left-hand side. Moving on to the bottom, you have your cutouts for your S Pen, your speaker, your USB Type-C, and your microphone. Now, one thing about the S Pen slot is it's going to have that little slight groove right there. So when you take your S Pen, you see, it just pops out right there, kind of like a mole in a hole. But you go ahead and pull this out, and let's see. So we can go ahead and see. Let's make sure these magnets don't interfere. Like I said, it is MagSafe. Make sure they don't interfere with the case itself. Let's see. Now, sometimes it has a little glitch, but you're good to go for the most part. As you can see, here we go. Go around here. Pretty much any which way, scroll down. And let's try that one more time. Trying to kind of get the entire phone worth of squiggly lines here. So all around, you'll be just fine when it comes to the S Pen, getting it out, putting it back in. That groove is very nice right there. I really like that. Some cases, they don't have that groove, and it really makes it difficult to get your finger in there to get the S Pen out. But Dbrand did think about us, and it pops out just like that. You're good to go. Put it back in, and there you go. Now, looking at that USB Type-C port, let's go ahead and bring over a charging cable here. We'll plug this in. There we go. We are charging, and you're going to get a very nice wide open USB Type-C port right there, so you'll have no problems whatsoever when it comes to using this case. And then moving along to the right-hand side, you're going to get those grip strips here as well, your power button and your volume up and down. Now, the volume up and down are going to be textured a little bit different than your power button, so you kind of can see exactly which button you're clicking and you can feel them. Let's listen to how those buttons sound real quick. Great sounding buttons. They are going to be built in, but they do have the little relief cutouts, and you'll be just fine. These buttons are built in, and they're great. I have zero complaints about a single one of the buttons. Dbrand really knocked it out of the park with this case, especially for built-in buttons. So let's check out that MagSafe. Now, starting off, we'll bring over our MagSafe wallet, attach that. You're not getting any animations, of course, but you do have to give this a slight bit of movement in order for that to start kind of getting off of the magnets. So that's really good right there. Let's bring over our Apple MagSafe battery pack. We'll attach that. Of course, wireless charge compatible. And I mean, you can shake this thing as hard as you can. Shake it like it owes you money. And you're good to go on this one. You'll have absolutely no issues. The only thing is, just like with any other case, MagSafe is going to cover this lens right here just a little tiny bit, but it is what it is, kind of one of those things you can expect, especially because this phone kind of isn't really made to have MagSafe built in. And then lastly, let's bring over our Anker 623. We'll pick this thing up, and I mean, you can really give this a good shake in order for this to come off. To be honest with you, in my opinion, the magnets on the S25 Ultra on the Dbrand grip are actually better than the magnets on the Dbrand grip for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is supposed to have the magnets. I don't know if they made these magnets stronger between the iPhone and this case, but I mean, this is some next level MagSafe strength. You can really pick this thing up and shake it around before it starts to fall off. So all around, what are my thoughts about the Dbrand grip? Do I recommend it to you guys? And I think you know the answer already. Yeah, absolutely. I love this case. If you guys have seen my channel before, you've seen I do top 10 case videos. I do accessories mainly. Top 10 case videos, and I've done them for the iPhone before. The Dbrand grip is always on that list. If I did one, which I probably will for the S25 Ultra, the Dbrand grip is going to be really high up there. So absolutely, it is 100% worth that price. Do that. Pick up a couple skins if you want to, or just rock it black like this. No problems with that. This is actually my favorite way to use this case, especially it's the black on black on black on black on black. All that looks really, really good, and I'm a huge fan of this case. So absolutely, I recommend it to you. All links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves. But let me know what you guys think about the Dbrand grip down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see the Dbrand Ghost, which is probably my favorite clear case for the S25 Ultra, and it's really, really good, I'll leave that video right here. And if you guys want to see something that's a lot more minimal, not as bulky or as protective as the Dbrand grip, I'll leave that right here.